I go 11 years in this country, I tell you the truth. Me never take a vacation until for go another state. For say me I go. I want little Airbnb or any little thing or nothing like that. Me never travel back on a plane from me coming to this country. Cause me not have where to travel with. Me not have no money. Me not have no money. Me not have where to travel with. Me not have it. I mean not joke and not joke thing and I just this not just do for no views, nothing. I serious something me I telling about. Me not lie. It's a struggle to live in this place. It's a struggle. Me not joke.
Before me start off, let me just say big up to the content creator. And on that channel, me go big up each and every content creator, whether me agree with them or disagree with them. So shout out to the content creator. Alright? Now let me dive into it. Because this is America. And she says she there 11 years. Now, let me just say this. If me live Jamaica and me there for 11 years and me not have enough money for even book a Airbnb, for even cross state line, something wrong. It's not America. Something wrong. Something personally wrong with me. I know I say this in every single video I make. America is not hard. America is not tough. I'm going to tell you what happened. When you talk about countries that are tough, you have to talk about Cuba. When you talk about countries that are tough, you have to talk about Haiti. You have to talk about Brazil. You have to talk about Vietnam. You have to talk about Russia. Them countries that are tough. America not tough. When you talk about tough, name them the country they can't go to go make it. Them the country that tough. America is just apply yourself. Just apply yourself.